Hi, today we will discuss on what are the reasons of success for Indigo Airlines and what we can learn from their success story. Indigo has become the new market leader with its slow and steady approach within just 13 years of the launch. Indigo focus on the basic needs of the flyer. Indigo stuck to its low cost single class model policy. They stuck with its policy of offering one class of no frill service on a single type of plane. Indigo has chosen to stick to the world's best selling single hazle aircraft, the Airbus A320. Indigo maintained a young fleet by selling and leasing back its plane. It uses 6 year sale and leaseback agreement, so the airline is constantly replacing its aircraft. This prevents the need for overall checks and major repairs. The airlines also broke industry standard with simple things like turnaround time. This is the time taken for a plane to be ready for the next flight between landing and takeoff. Indigo boasts of a turnaround time of less than 30 minutes. Obviously, less time on the ground means more time in the air, which also reduces fuel burning. No stopover for the crew. They return back to their home city the same day, hence saving on the costs. Indigo success model largely relies on consistent low fares, regular on time performance, and minimal flight cancellation. Indigo keeps the whole business of flying simple for their customer with simplified pricing means one fare inclusive of all taxes and other charges and easy to navigate website etc. Indigo has realized that in a service industry where competition is so cutthroat, it needs to be delivered on its promise, which clearly seems to be going in its favor, at least domestically. Now, what we have learned, we can learn from the success of Indigo Airlines are we need to take correct steps for the maximum growth and also minimize the we can minimize how can we minimize the operating cost as well. We should know our customer very well and their requirement, like what they likes or dislikes. And what we promise to the customer, we should deliver them. We need to work more for the customer satisfaction. And we have to utilize in maximum the working hour of every person for the progress of the business. Thank you.